You were born in an era where YouTube had just began. You would gather with your friends after school and watch videos, the OG videos, the evolution of dance, Charlie Bit My Finger, music videos. There was endless entertainment. You saw creators like Smosh blow up. You thought maybe I can do that. You recorded silly videos with your friends, downloaded an editing software. You uploaded your first video. It got 3 views. You forget you even tried and go back to your daily life. Now you watch gaming videos, you think I could start a gaming channel, you try and you realize it is a lot of work to publish a video. You grind it out, finish editing, then upload. Your video gets 5 views. But you enjoyed it, you grind out another video, then another, you even get 22 views on a video. But that's the most you get. The next video you upload, you get 1 view. You're crushed, you give up, you want to forget you ever tried in the first place, but that feeling of failure sticks to you. You never want to feel it again, and you decide to quit for good. Years pass, and you have a comfortable job, but you still pass your time watching YouTube. You fall in love with your new niche that pertains to your new hobby. You can use extra money, you're going to be doing your hobby anyway. Why not press record? So you do. You make videos because you like them, and start uploading consistently. You watch every content creator video with hopes of becoming monetized, you get 10,000 views on a short. Your subscribers are growing, but it's a slow grind. You make it up to 96 subscribers. You realize at this rate, it will take years to get to 1,000 subs and a chance at monetization. You're burnt out. You give up. This is what it is like, being a small YouTuber. You're hardly a YouTuber at all. But you have to remember why you started in the first place. It was never about the money. It was never about the views. What brought you back is your passion for making videos. That is what keeps bringing you back to the grind. That is what makes you continue to press upload. So embrace it and keep putting in the effort. Who knows, someday you may go viral. Someday you may be monetized. But it was never about that. It was about that feeling you got huddled around the screen with your friends watching YouTube for the very first time.